Hello, my name is Carly from the CPAP shop, and today we're reviewing how to replace the Philips Respironics DreamWisp Nasal Mask Headgear. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more product reviews, how-to videos, and much more. With only 4 contact points, this headgear delivers stability and ensures a proper CPAP experience. The minimal design makes for a mask that is lightweight and comfortable. The headgear is available in 2 sizes, medium and large, and is a flexible material so all head shapes can comfortably fit. The headgear can be adjusted with Velcro, which is located at all 4 points. To remove the headgear, peel the top headgear tabs away from the fabric and out from its placeholder. Repeat this same process by simply pulling apart the magnetic headgear clips away from the frame. To put on or replace your old headgear, first connect the magnetic clips at the bottom. Then put the upper headgear tabs through their placeholders in the frame, and your headgear will be back together and ready for use with your mask. It's important to keep your headgear clean to ensure proper functionality. We recommend hand washing your headgear after every use with mild soap and warm water. We wish you luck with your CPAP therapy. Please leave any comments or questions down below and check out all of the products we offer at thecpapshop.com. Call us with any questions at 866-414-9700. Give us a thumbs up if you found this video useful. Thanks for watching.